Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, learners, chapter 2 factors and multiples. Countdown book 4. Open your book and have a look of this chapter. Topics to cover in these chapters are factors, multiples, divisibility, and HCF and LCM. I have to check the divisibility of 2, 3, 5 and 10 up to 5 digit number. Here rule number 1, which is the divisibility check for 2. If the number at unit place zero, 2, 4, 6 or 8, the number at unit place is 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the number is divisible by 2. Without dividing actual division, we can check the divisibility of the numbers by using this rule. So I have made a table at one's place. I will write each type of values to check the divisibility. So I have 3 digit numbers, 4 digit numbers and 5 digit numbers. In all these numbers I have to check the divisibility of 2. Are these numbers are divisible by 2 or not, by using the rule. The rule is that the number ends with at unit place ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So check this number. This is 3. This is not 2. So it is not divisible by 2. On next 4 digit number, the number at unit place is 5, so it is not divisible by 2. The number at unit place in 5 digit number is 6, so it is divisible by 2. Now rule number 2. Rule number 2 is that if the given number is added, the resulting number divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Have a look. I have a number 1, 2, 5, 9, 6. I have a number 5 digit number. I have to check the divisibility of this number, so I have to add these number. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 6, 23. Is 23 divisible by 3? Yes or no? No. So it is not divisible by 3. Next, rule number 3. If the numbers at unit place ends with 0 or 5, the number is divisible by 5. I have a number 25. The number at unit place is 5, so it is divisible by 5. I have another number. Is this number is divisible by 5 or not? Not, because the number at unit place is 4, so it is not divisible by 5. I have another number. is that number divisible by 5 or not? Divisible by 5. Why? Because the number at unit place is 0. The rule is that if the number at unit place is 0 or 5, the number is divisible by 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Rule number 4. If the number end with at unit place is 0, if the number at unit place is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. For example, I have a number. I have to check this number. Is this number is divisible by 0, divisible by 10 or not? So I can say that the number is divisible by 10 because the number at unit place is 0. So it is divisible by 10. Now next topic is prime number and composite numbers. First, prime numbers are the numbers which have factors 1 and the number itself. For example, I make a table to check the prime numbers and factors, how the factors are made. 1. 1 has only one factor. 2. 2 has the factor 1 and 2. 3. 3 has the factor 1 and 3. 4. 4 has the factor 1, 2 and 4. 5 has the factor 1 and 5. 6 has the factor 1, 2, 3 and 6. 7 has the factor 1 and 7. 8 has the factor 1, 2, 4 and 8. 9 has the factor 1, 3 and 9. Now in this table, which are the prime numbers? I have to mark them. 1, no, because it has only one factor. Prime numbers has two factors, the number 1 and the number itself. 2 is a prime number because it has 1 as a factor and 2 itself as a factor. Prime number 3, yes, prime number. 4 is not prime number. 5 is prime number. 6 is not prime number. 7 is prime number. 8 is not prime number. What is the reason that 8 is not prime number? Because 8 has more than two factors. Prime numbers has only two factors, the factor 1 and the number itself. Number 9 is not a prime number. Now in this table you have learned that what are the factors and what are prime numbers. Factors are the numbers which are divisible by which are multiple of the number. Now I have to check the factor of 10. Let how to make the factors of 10. 10 is divisible on 1, yes. 10 is divisible on 2, yes. 10 is divisible on 3, no. 10 is divisible on 4, no. 5, yes. 6, no. 7, no. 8, 9, 10. These are the factors of 10. Similarly, I have to check the factors of 16. 1, 2, 4, yes, 4 4s are 16. 8 8 2s are 16 and 16. In this way we make the factors of the numbers. Coprime. The concept of coprime is that if the number have only one as common factor, in the number, then the number will be co-primes. For example, I have to check the co-primes between 9 and 16. I first make the factor of 9. 9's factor are 1, 3 and 9. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Here 1 is common in both numbers, so these numbers are co-prime. The number which have one only common factor, these numbers will be called co-prime. I have to check the pairs 2 and 3 whether these numbers are co-prime or not. 2 and 3. Question number 2. Factors of 2: 1, 2. Factors of 3: 1, 3. 1 is common, so 2 and 3 are co-prime. Question number 3. To check that these numbers are co-prime or not: 5, 10 and 12. Factors of 5: 1, 5. Factors of 10: 1, 2, 5, 10. Factors of 12: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors, so the common numbers are 1, there is no common number in these, so 5, 10 and 12 are also co-prime. If I have to check only in this question 5 and 10, then 1 is common, 5 is also common. 5 and 10 will not be co-prime because they have common number except then 1. So the numbers which have common only 1 as a factor, these numbers will be called co-prime numbers. Composite numbers. The numbers which are written in the form of rectangular will be exact rectangles will be called composite numbers, which have several different parts. For example, I have to write 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is a composite number because it is written in the form of rectangle, exact rectangle. 6 is a composite number. Okay, 9. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is a composite number. Yes, 9 is a composite number. It has made a perfect rectangle, which are arranged in exact rectangles are the composite numbers. Or you can say that the number can be divided exactly by number other than 1 and number itself are called composite numbers. It is the opposite of prime numbers. Okay, these were the topics of this video. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.